Fitspresso is marketed as a natural supplement designed to support healthy weight loss by boosting metabolism and enhancing fat burning. But does it really live up to the claims? After going through everything, including its ingredients, customer feedback, and potential effects, the results seem to be a mix of positives and drawbacks. On one hand, it contains clinically studied ingredients that may contribute to weight management, and some users have reported noticeable improvements in their energy levels and appetite control. However, others mention that the effects can vary, with some not seeing the dramatic results they expected, and weight loss may still require a proper diet and exercise routine for optimal success. Additionally, while the formula is designed to be natural, individual reactions can differ, and some users have experienced mild side effects. Price is another factor to consider, as it might not be the most budget-friendly option for long-term use. Overall, Fitspresso appears to work for some but may not be the magic solution for everyone, making it a product worth considering with realistic expectations.